Welcome back. This is a follow-up video to the tramming video I did, or two tramming videos I did on my CNC. After I got it trammed to what I believe was in 5/1000ths of an inch all the way around, I decided to build a new spoil board, and I was inspired to do that new spoil board by a video from Things to Keep You Interested. Yes, that's his channel name. I'll leave a link in the description. So I used his design, put these 1/4 T nuts in from the bottom, and they're inlet from the bottom so they don't interfere with the level of the spoil board onto the CNC working surface. And got it all mounted up, and this time I mount with 6 instead of 4 mounting points. Great. So then I thought, well, since I've trammed it and I built this new spoil board, maybe it's time I should go ahead and surface it. So again, another video I looked at, which is Mark Lindsay's toolpath video for surfacing your CNC machine. I went and resurfaced it. Or surfaced it, not resurfaced it. And I was concerned about shingling when I did that other video. Was the cutter might be cocked one way or the other with reference to the piece of MDF, and I'll get shingling, what looks like shingles across the board. So I did a perimeter cut first, and then back and forth across the machine with a 40% overlap of the cutter. And lo and behold, no shingling that I can feel. You can see some discoloration, but there's no shingling. You can't feel it. I run the dial indicator back and forth and it's like dead flat. So come on down and let's take a closer look at what I'm talking about. I don't know how it shows up in this light, but you can see a slight discoloration across the board this way, but I can't feel any variations. There's no place I can hook my fingernail. So that indicates to me that there's no shingling, and when I run, like I said, when I run the dial indicator across it, it's just dead flat, perpendicular to the surface. Again, 6 mounting points instead of 4 mounting points, so it's held down nice and tight to the surface. 1/4 inserts in here, which allows me to mount just about anywhere. I've got to make some new hold down clamps to match this now, but I can also screw in boards, guides this way and this way, so if I'm doing batch cutting, I can just re-index the part every single time by putting it in between those two parts. This is the bit I used. Got it off of Amazon. I'll give you a link to that. It's a 1 inch in diameter, 3 fluted surfacing bit. It worked very, very well. So that's it. It's nice and flat now. It's perpendicular to the surface. I feel confidence in using this spoil board, and it's easy to make. I still have all the tab files, so I have to make another one. I just chuck up another piece of wood and cut it out. So until next time, make great things out of wood.